Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. In this video, I once again bring you beautiful China exclusive themes that can be installed on Xiaomi global devices. Before installing, let's take a look at the highlights of this China exclusive theme pack together. First up is a theme with many different lock screen styles, allowing you to choose from a wide variety of subjects to apply. When you change the subject, the home screen wallpaper will automatically sync accordingly. Choose the colors and styles that suit you. With this theme, the lock screen supports 3D motion effects when you shake the phone, creating a more dynamic and immersive experience during use. There are many lock screen clock styles, with diverse customization options and a wide range of color choices. You can add small widgets underneath, and these widgets also sync their colors with the lock screen clock. Some other settings include turning the glass effect on or off, and enabling or disabling the 3D screen effect. You can find this theme in the China mainland theme store to direct install. Next theme. Home screen widgets. Custom lock screen. Clock style. Custom widgets under clock. More settings. Change lock screen wallpaper. Import your image. Theme name in China theme store. How to add home screen widget. You can install this app on Play Store or find APK file. Choose widget from list. Add to home screen. Next theme. Beauty icon pack. Dark mode control center. Support HyperOS 3. Change lock screen wallpaper. Import your image. Theme name on China theme store. All theme include one backup file and video description. You can install on your global devices. Thanks for watching video.